moment of silence. Now let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now let's say the 4 B's. Be safe, be responsible, be respectful, and be kind. And don't forget, it's a great day to have a great day at Gresham Middle School. Bye!
Good morning! Gladiator Glover here, reminding everyone that it's a great day to have a great day at Gresham Middle School.